redemption. So by redefining fatherhood, you reach out to umntana to say, hey, I realized that I might have made mistakes, but I wasn't available enough. Let us start on a new page in closing, I hope by namhlanje, from namhlanje, we not only stand in the gap spiritually for abantu, but also emotionally and mentally. Meaning, when we see a man is quiet, we don't assume he's fine. We normalize saying, I am not okay. And the church needs to be a place of safety, not silence.
Yeah.
Because right now here, there might be a young man sitting next to you, but he's struggling emotionally. And he's waiting for someone ozamnceda. And by the time Mhlawumbi reach out, if he does reach out, if family zethu must be a place of number one, not expectation, where onyana are always living up to their father's expectations. Now, this touched me, especially because we recently lost one of our own, our against the church, through suicide. Now, it cannot be business as usual when we have lost one of our own. It needs to change the conversations. According to create different platforms, this is the platform where men must engage and talk about mental health, where young men must feel safe and vulnerable enough to express themselves. Ayikho any platform that is there, and no creator, except by having men who will see the gap and say, it ends with me, by being a father, you're not only a father, but a father to the whole generation. But fathers are there in Gonzwe. Mentors are here. We know there is a hierarchy. Now we cannot expect this 16-year-old to reach out to Udada. You, as Amanda Badala, must be able to be the ones who will meet her by their point of view. And is over, okay? Utiko again is looking for Udada, who will stand in the gap and say, from now on, I will do better. I will give you the platform and walk lending now. Because
Amen.